So we're going to use this property to evaluate the following. We have, we want to evaluate the limit at infinity. Here we go to positive infinity of the following rational function: 3x squared minus x minus 2 divided by 5x, is it cube or? Five x squared plus 4x plus 1. So, remember, the name of the game is to express whatever we have here in terms of 1 over x to the r. In this case, we want to express it as 1 over x squared. So let's write the strategy here. We want to express the limit in terms of 1 over x to the power of r, if possible. This strategy will become very useful. So, how we go from here to expression that have x to the power of r? Well, with a little experience, you can see that this can happen if you multiply both numerator and denominator by x squared, or by 1 over x squared. Okay? So, to do so, in other words, to get to expression containing 1 over x to the power of r, multiply both the numerator and denominator by 1 over x squared. So let's see what happens once we do that. So now the limit is going to look like this. We have the limit as x approaches infinity, and we have 1 over x squared. Let me do it in red. We have 1 over x squared and 1 over x squared, like so. And the numerator was 3x squared minus x minus 2, and 5x squared plus 4x plus 1. And let's see what happened on the next step. Then we have the limit as x approaches infinity of 33. I'm sorry, this is 1. It's not 11. Okay, so we have 3 on top minus x divided by x squared, 1 over x, and then minus 2 over x squared divided by 5 plus 4 over x plus 1 over x squared. Okay, now we can apply limits laws. First we apply the quotient law. So we have this equals to the limit as x approaches infinity of 3 minus 1 over x minus 2 over x squared over the limit as x approaches infinity of 5 plus 4 over x plus 1 over x squared. And then break it down using the sum and difference. So here we use quotient. And if you do the sum and difference, you have the limit of when x goes to infinity of 3 minus the limit as x goes to infinity of 1 over x minus 2. I'll use the quotient multiplier. 2 times the limit as x goes to infinity of 1 over x squared all of it divided by the limit of 5 plus 4 times the limit of 1 over x plus the limit of 1 over x squared. So here we use sum difference and constant multiplier. And now all we can do is substitution. Why? Because we have the property, the limit as x goes to infinity of 1 over x squared, 1 over x cubed, 1 over x to any power is 0. So this will go to 0, this will go to 0, this will go to 0, and this will go to 0. So we end up having 3 over 5. Okay, and so what we did here, we did substitution.